Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class. I hope you all are doing well. So, start with the class with chapter number 1, sets. So, let us move. The theory of sets was developed by George Cantor. Okay, जो ये theory है हमें किसने दी है? George Cantor ने. Sets are used to define the concepts of relation and functions. Relation and functions are also included in sets. So we do further study on relation and function. So the study of geometry, sequences and probability, etc. So sets are used to study of geometry. You already did in your 10th. Sequences, AP, probability, you all are well known aware. So sets mean the collection of objects of a particular kind. The value of sets are always fixed. So give some do some examples like set of pack of card. You all are very know that well aware that 52 cards in a pack of deck. So this is fixed. You can't change the pack of cards. These are fixed. 52 cards in the pack of deck. Set of a cricket team of any country. Yes, students, there are 11 cricketers in every team of every country, so this is fixed. Set of odd natural numbers less than 10, 1 3 5 7 9, this is fixed. You can't even change the odd natural numbers less than 10, so these are the fixed numbers. So next, set of rivers in India, these are also fixed, है ना. The set of vowels in the English alphabet A, E, I, O, U, these are also fixed. So students, my motive behind to give you more examples that the topic of sets must be clear. So let us move on further example. Set of various kinds of triangle. So in mathematics we have studied about angle based triangle, side based triangle, and these are fixed. Okay, no one can change. And next example is set of prime factors of 210, 2 3 5 and 7, this is also fixed. The solution of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, this is a polynomial equation, and when you solve this equation the answer is 2 and 3, this is also fixed. Okay students, so these are all the examples of sets. So there are certain situations where the group can't be well defined. So now the another example where the group can't be well defined. First is the five most renowned mathematician of the world. So students, whenever we use some sort of words like most, best, worst, in that situation, this is very subjective decision. Okay. So for example, you ask from 10 people to define who are the most 10 renowned mathematicians of the world. Everybody will give some different names. So it is difficult to create five most renowned mathematicians. So it can't constitute a set. I hope you can understand. So everyone's opinion is different. So according to me, I'm saying that Ramanujan is best mathematician. According to you, someone else. So it can't constitute a set. The 10 most creative people in the world, same. According to me, there is some different peoples. According to you, some another different peoples. So this is very subjective. So in the same way, when we can find any other example when there is subjectivity, when we use the words same, like here the word is most, worst. So worst. So these kind of words can't prosecute the set, and we can't define such type of things in the theory. The 10 most intelligent people in the history of the world. So intelligence is also very subjective, so it can't intelligent, so this is very subjective, so it can't constitute a set. The 10 best cricketers, this is also impossible to tell. According to me, Sachin Tendulkar is best. According to you, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni. So everyone's opinion is different. So now move on next. The 10 worst politician of India, this is also difficult to define. So by doing all the above examples, the definition of set is a well defined collection of a set. हम इन सबको define कर सकते हैं, ये हमें पता है these are the fixed, but where the situation or group can't be well defined, then we can't tell that these are the examples of set. So this is very important, that sets are usually denoted by capital letters, capital A, capital B, capital C, and XY, etc. So the elements of the sets are represented by small letters. Sets are represented by capital letters, and the elements of the sets are represented by small letters. Okay. So elements are also known by different names: element, subject, and member, one, and something. So we can't use different terms depending upon the situation. Sorry, we can use the different words depending upon the situation. Okay, so student, I hope the topic is clear to you. So I hope you enjoy the lecture. Thank you so much.